Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. On the menu today we have baked spaghetti. First thing I'm doing is sauteing some sausage meat in my pan. Now I'm using beef sausages, but you can go ahead and use whatever sausage you have. Just gonna go ahead and break up the meat because you know it has been compressed in the casing, so it's gonna take a little bit of work, but not that much work. But just keep using your spoon to just break this up for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna go in with some chopped onions and garlic and just start sauteing this. I didn't use any oil because one, I'm using a non-stick pan, and two, you will get some oil from the sausage meat. I'm gonna do this for about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna go ahead and add my minced beef. And just like the sausage, I'm just going to break this down and just incorporate everything. I do like to use the back of my spoon or my spatula just to break that up because I don't like when the mince is clumpy. So just go ahead and just do that. Once you're happy, I went in and seasoned my meat, and I did this with some all-purpose seasoning. You can use an all-purpose seasoning of your choice. I went in with some smoked paprika and also some mixed herbs. I'm gonna saute this as well, and then I'm gonna go ahead now and add about a tablespoon of tomato puree. After about 2 to 3 minutes of doing this, I'm going to go ahead and add some mixed peppers. I am using frozen mixed peppers, and for a little bit of heat I went in with about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but this is completely optional. Once I gave this a good mix, I'm going to go ahead now and add my tomato sauce. Once I added the tomato sauce, I did go in with about half of the jar of water, give it a shake. You know, we have to take out everything out of it and just put that in there. Now I'm going to cover this for about 10 to 15 minutes. I stirred this a few times, maybe about 2 to 3 times within that time. Make sure you taste your pot as you go along. If it needs adjusting with anything, mine just needed a little bit of sweetness. I like to add a little bit of sugar because I just find that it balances the acidity from the tomatoes, and after this time it was just perfect. I let it cover it and let it simmer for about another 6 or so minutes. Now here I have a mixture of softened cream cheese. I did go ahead and grate some parmesan, freshly grated parmesan in there, and also some more of the mixed herb. I did already go ahead and cook my spaghetti. Now we're just gonna put this all together. So at the bottom of the container, I'm gonna go ahead with a layer of the meat, then I'm gonna go in with my spaghetti, my cream cheese, then I'm gonna add some added grated cheese. I did go in with some mozzarella and also a combination of cheddar and red Leicester cheese. I did a couple of layers of this and then cover the top with some more of that delicious sauce and the cheese, and then I placed this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Now I did place this in the oven uncovered. Look here, this twagging business now work with me tonight, guys. The way I have a little cold going on, but the throat is fighting me around here now. Be a pause, me a pause and cough. But you know what? The show must go on. After about 20 minutes, you want to take that out the oven because you don't want it to dry out too much. I did go ahead and garnish this with a little bit of parsley for, we like a little bit of fresh herbs around here, and also a little bit of greenery on top. Just make the thing just look nice. Now all that's left for you to do, actually, when this came out of the oven, I did let it rest for about 10 minutes. Just, that's just my preference. But if you're hungry, you just need to go in it, just go in at the eat and do what you need to do. And all you need to do is just dish this up. Now you can dish this up with a little salad, a little garlic bread. But me, I was hungry and I just went in on my plate and just did it. But guys, look at the spaghetti, just nice and moist and doing his thing, and it was just good. My son said, "Mom, that was so good. It was so yummy." I was like, "That's my boy." Yeah, you. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this recipe, and also share my videos because it really does help my channel, guys. And I take nothing for subscribers as well if you haven't yet done so. So just, it's free, press the red button and let's do this. And there you have it, guys, my baked spaghetti. Quick and easy, and this is just one of those comfort meals that you just actually really need sometimes. Like, not every day the big every food them enough you eat, just sometimes just something nice and simple. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.